Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, May 22nd. It's Friday. Yeah, it's been a rough week. Hard trading. So I am glad it is Friday. And we are having a holiday weekend in the U.S. So the markets are closed on Monday for Memorial Day. So I will see you on Tuesday. Coming up, news today, 10 a.m., we've got revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment, CB leading index month over month, a talking head, FOMC member Waller speaks, and revised University of Michigan inflation expectations. So that is it for the day. Not a lot of scheduled news. Of course, we're going to have a lot of Trump tweets and a lot of information coming out of Iran, and those things will affect the market. Be aware, be careful. Yes, this whole week has been a big, be careful scenario. Hoping we'll get past some of this stuff. The market will settle down and go back to what used to be somewhat normal. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, you can see that we are on possibly our third day up. Remember, the market loves threes, fives, sevens, and 12s. So it's very plausible we could have an updated day to complete the 3-day cycle. Volume was above average slightly. This whole little volume cluster here is actually encouraging that this little bottoming formation may actually have some gas in it. We'll see what happens if we can get up here and break out and make another leg to the upside. Volume does suggest that there is support up here during these prices. We are above the moving averages. Still a very bullish scenario chart wise. Everything from short, medium, and long term are all bullish. Like I said, the only thing that's been a stick in the mud has been the volume, and now that may be changing. So we'll have to see what happens. Looking at the inventory was positive on positive price action. That means the stock market internals are working correctly as they should. Nothing to write home about. We want to see price action that goes up be met with expanding inventory. And when those two are correlated, market internals at least are supposedly working as they should be. So nothing to say there. Moving on. Looking at the overnight action, approximately 33 points. That's actually well below what we've been experiencing, but still above the long-term average of about 25. So where do we have support and resistance? You can see that resistance on the top side. The overnight high corresponded with one of our main numbers: 7,500, 7,506, 7,524, 7,528, 7,540. Support, on the other hand, yet below the overnight low, 7,457. Some confluence around 7,442, 7,425, and a lot of confluence back down around 7,405, 7,400 area. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 52.4, which is the percent that the market will be up today based on historics from the Stock Traders Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Remember, no trading on Monday. We'll see you Tuesday after the Memorial Day weekend. Have a great long weekend and happy trading. And remember to subscribe and like. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.